Dr. Travis Bradberry, a leading expert in emotional intelligence, states that 90% of top performers have a higher degree of emotional intelligence and that emotional intelligence is responsible for almost 60% of job performance in the workplace today. So it's safe to say being an effective leader these days doesn't mean just being good at telling others what to do. Like Dr. Bradberry suggests, it takes much more. At Progress Coaching, we're here to help you develop your emotional intelligence with our new Emotional Intelligence Coaching Program. It's designed for leaders and those that report directly to them to develop their own emotional intelligence through providing a robust education, a personalized assessment approach, and a one-on-one strategy session. It's more than just workplace training. You're learning life skills that go far beyond the boundaries of the workplace. So contact us today to learn more about how Progress Coaching can help you develop your emotional intelligence.